Hey guys, this is Fundo on Manchupagama. Tonight on Uzalo. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Kazmulo steals the phone of Mamlambo on the church, and it seems like Ndu see him, but denied the suspicions. He tells Ndu that the phone is for him, while Mamlambo vows to make an example of the person who wronged her. Nyawo used his promotions to be seen and heard and feel wherever he goes. He brings the photo and the medal and additional on the office of captain, and he does not think that he will change this position while Mondli is suffering on the cell. The Kwamashu talent show elevates Kunzi to celebrate status, while Screwdriver Baby Mama cut his clothes, and Screwdriver comes with a issue of his baby mama on the work. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.